We start with homework 2, part 1, problem 1, and build a basic model. Let's do from the beginning real quick. And we have two different sources, actually. Three different sections. Then 6 server. All right, and 1 sync. That. And we will have path. Path is moving from all right. Building path. Moving from source to the first portion. And the rest of them are just connector. Link all the station together. All right, we've basically finished the pass portion. A little bit forward, distribute evenly. All right, we're done. And then we're putting machine A. I'm gonna call this guy. Machine B. Machine C. Machine D. Machine E. Good. This is the source of a red job. Source of other job. Make the distance okay. These two are 20 feet. These two are 35 feet. pretty much done. All the machines are per distribution, random. All right. Machine A is 7, 12, 10, 12, 7, 10, 12. Okay. And this B is 369, C is 248, 248, D is 9912, 9912, 13, A 10, 13. And F will be 369 again. All right. So capacity B has a capacity of 4. Capacity C has a capacity of 3. Capacity D has a schedule. Capacity E has a 4 of. Capacity for F will be 3. Okay. A and D has about 4 at the night shift from midnight to 8, 6 for the day shift, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., 5 for the evening shift. So we're going to do that for work schedule, machine A and D schedule, and machine day capacity. Okay, so machine A, so from midnight to 12 a.m. for 8 hours. We have 4. One more from 8 a.m. for the next 8 hours. I have 6 from 4 p.m. for another 8 hours. I have 5. Using one single day pattern and using the machine capacity. So these two, A and D, are not fixed. Using work schedule, choosing work schedule of machine A and D. Okay, that's it. And this is what we have. And then we have 2 different type of entity called other, job, called entity other job. I'm going to do the same over for entity red job. Of course, put this into red. So the model is pretty much the same finish. Running replication for 200 hours. Um, what else? Okay, so machine red jobs go to machine A, D, B, E, then exit. So for this we're going to need a sequence table. Okay, the sequence table called sequence for red job goes to A, goes to D, and goes to B, input buffer for machine B, the machine E, then to the exit. All right, that's it. Build another sequence for other job. The other jobs go to machine A, machine C, machine B, and machine D. Oh, okay, machine A, machine C, machine B, and machine D, and machine E and F. And then goes to the sink. So we finish both of them. And machine A has arrived with arrival rate of 2 per hour. Okay, so here should be 2 per hour based on Poisson distribution should be exponential 30 minutes. So meaning half hours per arrival on the average. So the arrival rate is 2 per hour, means on the average every 30 minutes you have one arrival. Um, for the other job arrival, it's uniform between 1 to 3 hours, 1 to 3 minutes. 1 to 3 minutes. That's it. Oh, sorry. This needs to go generate red job. So they have several different sequences, but right now I need to assign sequence for the red job. We're using initial sequence at the entity level and just choose red job. This one is easy. Other job is choose other job. So we should see them going to different places. Let me see one more time. The red jobs, the Gaussian machine. Oh, this one is input. Sorry, input for machine D. Okay, we're now trying to run the system. We find out those both entity go into the same workstation as not what we wanted. The problem I have is I forgot to change for the transfer node out of the source. Instead of followed by sequence, I was using for continue. So I'm going to do this for the rest of them. All the output node has to be followed by sequence. So the entity destination type is followed by sequence. Um, Now we can see they go to different workstation, follow corresponding processing pattern. All right, and we conclude this part real quick.